Welcome back to the channel. This is Caleb Cross, and today I want us to be going to the other side of the farm. We want to go and check out if we have enough grass growing on that side for the cattle. Then we're gonna come back. This week we've been doing quite a number of projects, starting with bringing in manure to the shamba where we want to grow the crops, and we also engaged the oxen guy who came around and tilled the land where we want to do planting of the vegetables. So I'll be sharing quite a number of clips here of the farm and what we did over the week. So today I want us to head over to the other side of the farm where I want to go and check out if we have enough grass for the cattle, because we also practice dairy farming, and the main thing that we are in pursuit of on a serious note is the feeds of the cows. So let's head over to this direction and we see what's going on over that side. Alright guys, so I have arrived and things are looking pretty good here. See, we have a lot of grass over here all the way to that point. I think we have enough feeds for this season. Yeah, we need to organize ourselves to see how we're going to harvest the grass. See, from here you can see well. Okay guys, we've just seen how everything is looking. You can see the grass is doing pretty well. Yeah, I'm impressed that we have enough feeds for the season. I don't know if you're going to head over to that direction, maybe later. Yeah, so I think we can head back home and let's go and do something else for the day. All right, these are the oxen over here. So we are going to be digging from up there all the way to where you can see the white stuff over there. So all of this land needs to be tilled so that we can do some work here. Yeah, so I'm hoping this gets done today. Yeah, so that we can do other things. So we have some water pipes over here, almost ready to bring water. And I just want to remove this one here before it gets destroyed. And we shall need to use it. So let us do this. Cannot see the guy here. Maybe we wait for him. What? Ủa? Tôi có kia quay cho.
Usitoa kofia, kuna baridi. Kunywa twende kashesheni huko. Kuna kasheshe. Kunywa twende kasheshe.
Nazadi ya kuenda mambo ya kiendo laisi. Nani huyu awa ametoka kutoka?
Jine na mradi ya kuko soga kama hiyo. Mama wote. Nikamwesa hizi ya mbili lazima. It's very easy.
As you can see, we have been doing some land preparation for planting. Okay, the whole of this space that you see here, we want to plant some vegetables, and also we want to build a chicken coop over here. Yeah, so we are getting ready for that kind of project. We want to plant vegetables. We want to keep chicken, turkeys, and guinea fowls. Yeah, on this small piece of land that you can see over here. But overall, we want to do vegetable farming, especially on the lower side, on the lower part of the land. So we still need to bring the oxen again to do the digging once again, to plow once again, because we want to kill all the weeds completely, even the remaining spaces. We want the place to look amazing. So that is the thing that has been going on here. And just to walk down here and see how the grass that we planted, how it's faring on. We still have a lot of weeds growing here due to the rains, and it can be very difficult to differentiate the grass that we planted and the weeds, because you can see we need to bring someone to start clearing the place. And I think we need to start by watering the place so that it can be soft. We cannot use a jembe here or a hoe. That's what I think. I need someone to do uprooting of the weeds so that we can leave our planted grass only. You can see some of it has started coming up well. Majority of it is doing well. So I'm hopeful that 90% of the grass is going to survive. The remaining place we can always replace. So yeah, now the bigger projects, or the bigger thing that we are waiting to do is planting of vegetables. That's why we are preparing the land that I've just shown you. And then after that, we are going to build a chicken coop because we still want to do poultry farming. I am looking for guinea fowls and turkeys and geese and also chicken. I want to keep a combination of them. Right there is a manure, you can see it. There's a pile of manure there, another one right here. We still need to bring in more manure, and yeah, we are organizing for that. We want to do very serious farming regardless of the climate, because we want to do irrigation or watering, and we want to do it professionally. Yeah, so it's something we're going to try once again and see how things go. The place has grown a lot of weeds. I need to engage someone to remove all these weeds even on the parking lot, and someone to cut the edges so that we can maintain a very good line on the parking lots. Yeah, so that's all what has been going on here. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video to this point. I'm going to see you on the next one. Goodbye.